Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1958 Smith-Corona Skyriter vintage ultra portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. One of the most popular ultra portables of all time. Super compact and very functional for its size. Super quiet. It's about 12 inches by 11 by 3. About as small as it comes. With a fully functional, legitimate typewriter, it comes with this leather zip case. Up top are the margins. This is your left margin. I'm going to set that on 0 and the right one around 75. Very good. This is the paper support arm that flips up from the back. And this is the paper bale that sits on top. It's got a scale on it. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit the slide space, get you back to the beginning, and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, there's a little contraption there. You just push that towards the front. It'll skip 2. Push it towards the back. It just skips 1. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Beautiful. Super comfortable, quiet. This is probably as quiet as it gets, even quieter than the noiseless machines. And the print looks really good. So you got all of this in this little package. Unbelievable how these were engineered. And these are smaller than the Olivetti's and pretty close to the Hermes. So this is comparable to some of the best typewriters of all time. In a Smith-Corona package made in the USA. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side. Push it back. It unlocks the rollers, allowing you to pull the page out easier, load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. I'm going to flip this down for now. And that is Pica typeface, prints 10 characters per inch. Got a shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. MR stands for margin release. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. Hit that MR button. It does allow you to get past that and go all the way to the end. Very good. Backspace on the right side. This doesn't have a color selector, so your only option is a solid ribbon with no. It just prints the top portion. So a lot of time, if you're not into typewriters, most typewriters will have an option to print the top and the bottom, but this is just a basic streamlined typewriter because it's so compact. It does have a ribbon reverse, so if you open the hood here, all the brand new ribbons loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. If you want to switch that direction manually, you just flip that switch up. It'll pull counterclockwise to the left, flip it down, and pulls to the right. It also has an automatic reverse. When you get to the end of the ribbon, it will pull this, and as you're typing, it pulls it back to that side. And most typewriters have that automatic ribbon reverse. The eyelet at the end will catch on to that. If you don't have eyelets, just tie a knot close to the end and it'll do the same thing. This is your touch control from low to high. The higher you go, the more tension there is when you hit the keys. You do have to hit the keys harder for them to print, but they respond faster. So you just want to play with that to gauge what your preference is as far as touch control goes. Carriage release on the right side only. Very smooth. Very impressive. You might see this. I don't know if you're interested in typewriters and you see a Silent Super. It's one of the best typewriters of all time. This is like a miniature Silent Super. So this lever here on the back side, it will center your carriage. So when you have it in the case, so if you push it back, it centers it in the middle. You lift it up and it will unlock that center. So that's how you know that you have the carriage in the center position for the case. And this underneath the knob is the line space retainer, which disables the spacing when you turn the knob so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You push it down, you get those clicks. Each one of those clicks is one space. And that is it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.